8.1 million years ago, survival was never guaranteed. For one mother, life was more fragile than ever. She was heavy with child, yet every step meant danger. Her tribe kept close, for predators stalked every shadow. A rustle in the grass was never just the wind. The lion of that age was larger, fiercer, more ruthless. With no walls, no fire, only courage held them together. A sudden roar shook the air. The hunters of the tribe stepped forward. They hurled stones, buying precious moments. In that chaos, the mother's heartbeat thundered louder than the beast's roar. Finally, the lion withdrew, but not defeated. They pressed on, knowing hunger could be deadlier than teeth. They dug for roots beneath the dry soil. The pregnant one was given first bite. The future of the tribe lay within her. But survival was not theirs alone to claim. Snakes as thick as tree trunks hunted silently. They froze, for even the strongest hunter feared the coils of death. Only patience saved them. Storm clouds gathered, another trial. Rain lashed down, turning earth to mud. In the storm's heart, her pain began. The tribe gathered close, forming a wall of bodies around her. Her cries echoed through thunder. But in pain, life arrived. The storm broke, dawn returned. As darkness fell, every sound became a threat. The mother guarded her infant through the long night, while the fire's glow kept predators at bay. Each sunrise brought a new search. Shelter was life. Stone caves, hollow trees, or the shadow of cliffs became sanctuaries for the fragile young. Danger was never far. In the tall grass, hunters moved unseen. Silence and stillness became the only shield. Necessity inspired invention. A simple sling gave her strength. 2 hands free to climb, forage, and defend, all while keeping her child safe. In the tribe circle, food was shared. Every root and berry meant more than survival. It meant the promise of tomorrow carried in a child's breath. Fathers became guardians. With sharpened wood, they stood at the boundary between safety and danger, giving the tribe the chance to endure. Even the skies threatened survival. Great birds circled silently, searching for weakness, shadows that brought fear with every pass. Nature itself tested them, fire, smoke, and ash, yet the mother's arms became a shield stronger than stone. Water was life's most fragile gift. Each drop gathered meant another day of breath, another step forward. At the end of each struggle came a brief silence. Under the setting sun, the mother closed her eyes, her child safe for another day. A lion returned, stalking the newborn's cries. This time they stood together. The beast relented. Humans were not the hunted anymore. They had faced hunger, storm, predators, and survived. This was life 8.1 million years ago, fragile, brutal, yet unstoppable. The story of survival is the story of us all. Like, share, and subscribe to witness more untold journeys of our ancestors.